your phone is almost dead, and you just realized your charger is still at the office. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. Not all wireless chargers are the same. Some take forever, some fry your battery over time, and some actually work the way they're supposed to. So today, I'm breaking down the 5 best fast wireless chargers for both iPhone and Android, ranked by speed, value, and real-world performance. Whether you've got a Samsung, a Pixel, or the latest iPhone, there's something on this list for you. Let's get into it. Number 5. The Anker 313 wireless charger. This one is for the person who just wants something simple, affordable, and reliable. No frills, no drama. Just plug it in and charge. Here's what makes it solid. It charges iPhones at 7.5 watts and Android devices at up to 10 watts. That's not the fastest on this list, but for under $15, it's genuinely hard to beat. The build quality feels way more premium than the price suggests, and it works right out of the box with no app, no setup. But here's the catch. If you've got a Samsung or Pixel that supports 15-watt fast wireless charging, this one won't max that out. It's great for everyday use, just not a powerhouse. Moving up, number 4. The Belkin Boost Charge Pro 15-watt wireless charging pad. This is where things start getting serious. Belkin has been in the accessories game for decades, and this pad shows why people still trust them. It pushes 15 watts for compatible Android devices and 7.5 watts for iPhone, which is actually the max Apple officially supports right now. What I really like about this one is the LED indicator ring. It tells you instantly if your phone is positioned correctly. No guessing, no waking up at 2 a.m. to find your phone at 12%. The design is also super clean. Flat, minimal, fits on any nightstand without looking like a science experiment. Honest drawback though, it doesn't come with a wall adapter in the box. You'll need a USB-C power brick that supports at least 18 watts to get full speed. So factor that into the cost. Number 3. The Samsung 15-watt super-fast wireless charger stand. If you're on Android, especially a Galaxy phone, stop what you're doing and pay attention. This is Samsung's own charger, built specifically for their ecosystem. And when you pair it with a Galaxy S or Z series device, it charges at a full 15 watts wirelessly. That is fast, like genuinely impressive fast. The stand design is a game changer too. You can charge portrait or landscape, which means you can actually use your phone while it charges. Watch videos, check notifications. No fumbling to pick it up. But here's the catch. iPhones top out at 7.5 watts on this pad. It works, but you're not getting the full benefit. This one is built for Samsung fans first, everyone else second. Number 2. The Anker 737 MagGo 3-in-1 charging station. Now this is where it gets interesting. This is not just a charger, it's a full setup. iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch, all charging at the same time. One device, one cable, zero clutter. The MagSafe alignment is perfect every single time. Your iPhone snaps on magnetically. 15 watts of power, and you're done. The folding design makes it travel-friendly too. Throw it in your bag, unfold it on a hotel nightstand, and it looks like you set up a proper charging station. The one drawback? This is built for Apple. Android users won't get much out of it, and the price is higher than the other options on this list. But if you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, honestly, it might be the last charger you ever buy. And the number 1 pick? The Spigen Arcfield 15-watt wireless charger. Here's why this one takes the top spot. It charges at 15 watts for Samsung, 10 watts for other Android devices, and 7.5 watts for iPhone. It works fast across the board, not just for one brand. The build quality is exceptional. The surface has a soft anti-slip texture that actually grips your phone, so it won't slide off your desk every time someone walks by. And the price? It's sitting in that sweet spot. Not too cheap to feel sketchy, not so expensive that you're paying for a brand name. You're just paying for a great charger. The only thing I'd flag, the LED indicator light can be a little bright in a dark room. Not a deal breaker, But if you're a light sleeper, stick it face down or pop a piece of tape over it. That's it for the top 5. See you in the next one.